this lecture, we are going to see that how we can request an absolutely free of cost Omnistudio trial org. So let me go ahead and search for Omnistudio by Trailhead. So if I go and click this particular link, a particular trail will open, and if I go to this particular module here, so I will open it, and here under the resources section, if you navigate to that particular section, you would see that there is a link which says developer org Omni Studio Developer Edition. So if we open this particular link, there will be a very basic form where we need to enter some basic details, and then we would get a Omni Studio trial org on the email. So guys, you can see that this is the form which has appeared here, and also just note that this particular trial org has a license of 6 months. So after 6 months your org will expire and you need to request a new one. So let me quickly fill the basic details here. Okay, so I have filled my basic details, and once you are done, you have to check this checkbox if you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you have to hit the sign me up button. So just one thing that you need to ensure that your email address is absolutely correct, because that is where you are going to receive a link to your org. So let's hit the sign me up button. So you can see that we are going to receive the link to our org on our email address within 30 minutes. So guys, now I have received an email from developer@salesforce.com. So if I click this particular email, you will see that here is a blue color button which says verify account. So since this is the first time that we are logging into our account, so we need to set the password, right? So once I click on this button verify account, there will be a page which will ask me to basically set the password. So let us do that. So once you have set the password, you need to answer the security question as well. So let me do that. And once we are done with this, you have to simply click the button change password. So now you will be navigated to your org. So we have successfully requested our Omni Studio org.